Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Hey man, you'll see it, man. I just bought this Hyundai Sonata over here for my cousin, man. He's a crazy cop supporter. I gotta take those fucking stickers off because we not rocking with that. I mean, I fuck with the cops, but I don't fuck with the cops. So it is what it is, man. He said the brakes is shot on this bitch. He put even a boot there. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, well, it's a new purchase, man. Let's see. I'm using this for a work car, but God, guys, you hear that? I don't know what it is. The brakes is shot. Oh man, this is bad. So bad. Death trap, look, all the way down. And it's still gliding, making noise. Wow, y'all. It's dangerous. Little I don't want to stop. The fact that this car only has 98,000 miles, man. It's a fucking steal, bro. It's amazing. We're gonna figure it out though. I've never been in a car that squeaks this much. It's crazy, makes all this noise. Oh, the speaker stopped? Okay, not the noise though. That's God, guys. Oh my God. This car. Wow. It only has 98,000 miles, which is pretty cool. You know what I mean, that's amazing. But he beat it up, man. They beat this car up. It's amazing that they do that, son. See, like the muffler's bad. That's what's hanging right now, I believe. Brakes is definitely shot. AC work, which is one good thing right now. There's some. Oh man. But looks like you just need a tune-up, man. I'm gonna get some spark plugs, the oils, the belts, fix the muffler. I got no check engine light. Come on. This shit is nothing. That's why it's shaking. I need some spark plugs, some clean oil. That's it. Got an airbag light and the brakes. Obviously, the brakes is finished. That's it, man. That's pretty good. We made it to the block, y'all, as I was saying. No check engine light, which is pretty cool. I'm doing something bad right now. Whatever. We're not even talking about that. I have to admit it. But yeah, we made it to the block. We're here. The brakes are shot, man. I think that's the rotor grinding because the brake caliber's fucked up. So I'm just gonna, I already know if it's that bad. Rotors and brakes gotta get replaced in this one and do a full tune-up on this bad boy. Check the muffler. Oh, okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, look, it's so bad. Now I'm pressing the brake. I'm pressing the brake. I'm pressing the brake. It takes so long. Crazy. And that's me pushing the brake all the way down. It finally stopped. That's sick.